Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I am Teacher Ads and I will be your guide in understanding the rpms-ppst. Good morning! Nag-absent lang ako ng isang araw, no? Pagbalik ko, ako na yung magsasalita ng commitment. So, good morning everyone! For someone who once left DepEd to pursue something else, I wonder if I am the right person to speak to you about commitment. But then I believe that there is a purpose why I was chosen. Please allow me to share a short story with you. Before I resigned from DepEd, I felt that I was not as committed as I should have. Just like you, I kept asking myself, am I good enough to teach? Am I still qualified? Given the amount of workload, is this what I really wanted to pursue for the rest of my life? Sigurado na isa po ito sa everyday struggles nating mga teachers. Kayo din po, sigurado ako naiisip niyo po yan, di ba, from time to time. So ako po, isang araw, pinatulan ko. I resigned last May 17, 2022. For once, it felt so light. I felt so light and free. Nakawala na ako sa trabaho sa wakas. In the first few months, yun yung pakiramdam ko po talaga. But as months passed by, a part of me was asking, so, kailan mo balak bumalik sa pagtuturo? Di mo ba namimiss ma-stress? Sabi ko, oo nga, namimiss ko. Pero, nagpakipot pa rin po ako, syempre. But then, the Lord has His ways. When I serve in Sunday Masses, our priest friends would always say, you are not here in this world just to enjoy life. You must carry your cross and follow me. So, long story short, andito na po ako ulit. Gumagawa ng output, balik sa masalimuot na trabaho nating mga guro. But I realized that I also miss doing these tasks. Today, I can say that I see teaching differently, especially after I reapplied and saw how 3,000 plus aspiring public school teachers registered to fill in the 100 plus vacant items in the elementary level. Imagine, more than 2,000 teachers were not fortunate enough to get hired. Marami pong tao na nasa labas ng DepEd na pinapangarap lang po ang posisyon na meron tayo ngayon. That is why I feel extra blessed to be in this place today. So, Sir Ryan, I say yes and commit myself to the challenges that you posed a while ago. We are called to serve our learners while also protecting our own mental health. They say that anything worth doing is worth doing well. My dear co-teachers, I know that we are all doing our best despite all the difficulties. May we stay committed to our duties and continue to do ordinary things with extraordinary love, because indeed, teaching is a work of heart. Thank you very much, and once again, good morning.